friends. How are you all? Hope you all are fine today. To begin our session, I would like to ask you one question. How many of you pray? I pray. I pray to God, well, we all pray to God and seek blessings from Him. Now, we need the blessings very much as Corona season is going on, and we need the prayer and seeking of the blessings very much. In this lesson, Prarthana, the child is seeking God's blessings to become successful. Let us see how the child is asking the blessing of God and to become successful in his life. The lesson number 1 is Prarthana. So I will read the first paragraph like this. ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब, मन में विश्वास भरेंगे तो होंगे कामयाब, न होंगे हम निराश तो होंगे कामयाब, अटूट होगा विश्वास तो होंगे कामयाब. So here the child is praying for to become successful in his life. So ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब. How will we become successful? When we meditate to God, when we think about God, when we meditate with love and with dedication, then that time we will become successful. मन में विश्वास भरेंगे तो होंगे कामयाब. And next, when we will have a strong belief in our mind, that time we will become successful. See, मन में विश्वास भरेंगे. When we imbibe, believe in our mind, that time we will become successful. न होंगे हम निराश तो होंगे कामयाब. Nirash means disappointment. So when we become disappointed, that time nothing will happen, we will not become successful. So here he says that na honge hum nirash to honge kamyab. So if we don't become disappointed, see, when some problems are arising in our life, when we become very sad. For example, if someone is saying, someone is scolding us, someone is pointing finger on us, that time we will become very sad, or we feel very much disappointed. So and also if we fail in our work, that time also we become disappointed. So if we become disappointed like this, we will never become successful. So here the child is seeking God's blessing by saying that न होंगे हम निराश तो होंगे कामयाब. When we don't become disappointed, that time we will become successful. अटूट होगा विश्वास तो होंगे कामयाब. So अटूट होगा, when our belief is unbreakable. Atut means unbreakable. So when our belief is unbreakable, then we will become successful. Next paragraph now. कर्म करना है हमारा धर्म तब होंगे कामयाब, सदाचारी निर्मल होकर हम होंगे कामयाब, बड़ों को नमन करके हम होंगे कामयाब, दृढ़ शक्ति मन की हमें करेगी कामयाब, ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब. सो कर्म करना है हमारा धर्म तब होंगे कामयाब. So कर्म करना है means we have to do our work. When we do our work with the true religion, at that time we will become successful. सदाचारी निर्मल होकर हम होंगे कामयाब. Sadachari here means virtuous and nirmal means to be pure. So how we will become successful? When we do virtuous things and when we become pure, that time we will become successful. Otherwise we cannot succeed in our life. When we are doing all bad things, bad deeds in our life and we are not virtuous, that time we will not become successful. So here सदाचारी निर्मल होकर हम होंगे कामयाब means when we are virtuous and when we are pure, that time we will become successful. बड़ों को नमन करके हम होंगे कामयाब. Now बड़ों को नमन means to bow in front of our elders, to who like father, mother and grandparents, anyone, those who are elders to us. In front of them, if we are bowing our head, and that time also we will become कामयाब. Then दृढ़ शक्ति मन की हमें करेगी कामयाब. Here दृढ़ शक्ति means the strong and firm mind and decision. So दृढ़ शक्ति मन की हमें करेगी कामयाब. When we are firm and when we are having a strong decision and strong mind, that time we will become successful. If our mind is not strong and our mind is not firm, that time we cannot become successful. Not firm means for a while we'll think that we will do this one, and next while that we will think that one, and like this. If our mind is not stir or not firm, that time we cannot become successful. ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब. So whatever thing we want to do, we have to meditate to God, and if we meditate to God, that time we will become successful. Without meditating, without thinking of God, we cannot succeed in our life. So now this is our prayer. Now I will read once again the poem. ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब. मन में विश्वास भरेंगे तो होंगे कामयाब. न होंगे हम निराश तो होंगे कामयाब. अटूट होगा विश्वास तो होंगे कामयाब. कर्म करना है हमारा धर्म, तब होंगे कामयाब. सदाचारी निर्मल होकर हम होंगे कामयाब. बड़ों को नमन करके हम होंगे कामयाब. दृढ़ शक्ति मन की हमें करेगी कामयाब. ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब.
का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब. मन में विश्वास भरेंगे तो होंगे कामयाब. न होंगे हम निराश तो होंगे कामयाब. अटूट होगा विश्वास तो होंगे कामयाब. कर्म करना है हमारा धर्म, तब होंगे कामयाब. सदाचारी निर्मल होकर हम होंगे कामयाब. बड़ों को नमन करके हम होंगे कामयाब. दृढ़ शक्ति मन की हमें करेगी कामयाब. ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम होंगे कामयाब.
Now we move on to the glossary or the word meaning. First is dhyan, means worship. Kamyab means successful. Nirmal means pure. Nirash means disappointed. Here atut means forever or unbreakable. Forever means that is forever. So sadachari means virtues. Naman means to give respect to elders. Dhrida Shakti means firm. So students, here you can see the blue words and the black color written here is the words meaning. Here also same blue color words and here black color English words. So you have to write this in your notebook and study it. This is very important. I read once again. Dhyan means worship. Kamyab means successful. Nirmal means pure. Nirash means disappointed. Atut means forever or unbreakable. Sadachari means virtuous. Naman means to give respect to elders. Dhrida Shakti means firm. So students, I hope that you understood the lesson. Thank you. Going to our writing exercises. First here we have सही उत्तर पर सही का चिन्ह लगाइए. Tick the correct answer. Here ईश्वर का ध्यान करके हम क्या बनेंगे? So what will we become when we meditate to God? So the answer is Kamyab. So when we meditate to God, we will become Kamyab. Next one. कर्म करते रहना हमारे लिए क्या होना चाहिए? So what is doing work? When we what should be our duty when we are doing our work? So here the answer is dharma. So religion should be the first thing when we are doing. Religion should be in front of us when we are doing a work. That means we have to do true work. So the answer is dharma. The next one. कामयाब होने के लिए हमें अपने मन में क्या अपनाना चाहिए? So to become successful, what should be imbibed in our mind? So what should we bring to our mind to become successful? So the answer is Dridha Shakti, firm decision and strong strength should be there to become successful. So next one is कविता की पंक्तियों की पूर्ति कीजिए. Complete the following lines of the poem. So you can fill it. See this, it is a fill in the blanks. You can fill it seeing the textbook lines. You are having the textbook, so you can complete the lines seeing the text and the Prarthana poem. Next one is a question answer that I will be giving you notes. And now we move on to the synonyms. Vilom Shabd, in Hindi we call it Vilom Shabd. So it is the synonyms. So first one is Asha, which is Nirasha. Asha means hope. So the opposite will be Nirasha. Safal. Next one is Vishwas. Safal is the third one. Vishwas is the second one. So Vishwas means belief. So what will be the opposite? Avishwas. Then comes Safal. Safal means to succeed or to become successful. So Safal means Asafal. Dharma. Dharma means religion and the opposite is Adharma. Pavitra. Pavitra means pure. So the opposite will be Apavitra. Then Bada. Bada means big and the opposite will be Chota. So I repeat this one once again. Asha, Nirasha, Vishwas, Avishwas, Safal, Asafal, Dharma, Adharma, Pavitra, Apavitra, Bada, Chota. So children, you have to write this in your notebook plus the question answer which I will be giving you, and the poem here, the lines, completing the lines, and this one, the tick the right answer. All these things you have to write in your notebook. Plus you have to write the copy also. You have to buy 2-line copy book which you have to write daily 1 page. The copy also should be written and this work also should be written in your classwork notebook. Thank you children.